How to share your Instagram story to your Facebook account automatically. Hey guys, welcome back to another quick short tutorial video. In this video we are going to learn how you can share your Instagram story to your Facebook account automatically. It's a very easy and simple process. To learn it, you have to watch this video till the very end. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all you got to do, you have to open up your Instagram app and then go to your profile, and after that you have to tap on these three lines at the upper right side. Tap on here and then tap on settings and privacy, and once you are on your settings and privacy, then tap on accounts center, and from accounts center you have to tap on connected experiences. So tap on connected experiences and then tap on sharing across profiles, and here you'll get your Facebook and your Instagram profile. So tap on your Instagram profile, and after that here you will get automatically share section, and under the automatically share section you will get your Instagram story. You have to enable this toggle, and from now on if you upload a story on your Instagram profile, then it will be automatically uploaded on your Facebook profile. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.